If you're planning to upgrade your drone this year, you might want to hit pause. Rumors are heating up around the upcoming DJI Air 4, and leaks point to it being one of DJI's most ambitious drone launches yet. While DJI hasn't made an official announcement, a wave of certification filings, prototype sightings, and supply chain insights are painting a very detailed picture of what is on the horizon. Let's break down everything we know and what remains unconfirmed. Without a doubt, the most talked about upgrade is the camera system. Multiple reliable sources suggest DJI is testing the Air 4 with a dual camera setup featuring two 1-inch CMOS sensors. If true, this represents one of the biggest leaps forward for the Air series. Larger sensors translate directly to superior low-light performance, expanded dynamic range, and immaculate overall clarity. It would allow creators to effortlessly switch between wide-angle and telephoto views without sacrificing quality. A massive win for travel filmmakers and photographers. However, a few conflicting reports indicate DJI might stick to a single 1-inch main sensor paired with a smaller secondary telephoto lens. Alongside hardware shifts, expect major software refinements in HDR recording, advanced color science, and cleaner low-light footage with minimal image noise. Performance and safety are also getting a serious tune-up. Obstacle avoidance. DJI is rumored to introduce an upgraded omnidirectional sensing system enhanced with LiDAR technology, drastically improving low-light obstacle detection during sunrise, sunset, or heavily shaded environments. Active track performance is also expected to be sharper and more reliable. Flight time and wind resistance. Thanks to increased battery efficiency and aerodynamic refinements, the Air 4 is tipped to deliver roughly 38 to 40 minutes of flight time. Enhanced wind resistance will also make it far more dependable in demanding coastal or mountain weather. Connection stability is vital, and reports point toward DJI's O4 Plus transmission system, bringing greater range, lower latency, and rock-solid live feeds, even in heavy wireless interference areas. What about regulatory weight classes and pricing? Weight. Some certification leaks hint at a sub-250G version, making it easier to fly under strict regulations globally, while others suggest it will retain a larger frame closer to the Air 3S. Pricing. Industry observers expect the standard package to land between $899 and $999, with the Fly More combo ranging from $1,199 to $1,399 depending on the final sensor configuration. Thanks to steady certification activity, industry insiders expect DJI to officially unveil the Air 4 in late 2026, though regulatory approvals could push some market releases into early 2027. If even half of these rumors turn out to be true, the Air 4 is shaping up to be the ultimate all-around drone for content creators who want professional-grade imaging without jumping up to the heavier and more expensive Mavic series. Do you hope the Air 4 comes in under 250 grams? Or would you rather have dual 1-inch sensors regardless of weight? Let us know in the comments below, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.